Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. If you have a little one, you, I'm sure, are aware of Fly Guy. And I don't know, little ones just love Fly Guy and all of his stories. This one is a funny one about Fly Guy's big family. So as you can assume, flies have giant families. Boy, he has a pet fly, as you know. That's the story of Fly Guy. And he realizes that Buzz, his pet fly, misses his family. So he goes on this quest to find Buzz's family for him, and he finds them. He finds all of his family. So it's a really, really cute story about how Fly Guy is happy to see his family, how important family is, and how Fly Guy's pet owner really cares about him and wants him to be with his family and puts forth all this effort. So even though it's kind of a silly book, it has some good lessons in there about caring for our friends and also the importance of family. So we really, really like this book. My son absolutely loves it. He loves it. What more can you say? And that is my point of view.